Hello guys, today I'm not completely well, but I'm making this video. So if you want to do Python programming in your phone, Android phone, then you can use this app Python 3 IDE for Python. This is not like other apps where it is sending it to some other online server, then compiling, then returning the result. Here the compilation happens in your phone itself. Let's see. It is very quick also. Print hello world. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, we have hello world printed. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to try an API here. So as you can see, it is getting the result from the API. Basically use this JSON placeholder API from where it is getting the data. Also, I needed to install the request library. To install a library, you can go here and type it and it will be installed. It has many other features. Terminal, can show the files in the terminal, etc.